Guys, welcome to the 2025 Myrtle Beach Grand Design Owners Rally. It's a 4-day celebration of community, adventure, and the RV lifestyle, specifically designed for Grand Design RV owners. This event is all about coming together to share experiences, exchange tips and tricks for RV living, and enjoy the camaraderie of fellow travelers. Whether you're a full-time or a weekend warrior or somewhere in between, there's something here for everyone. From exciting RV demonstrations to bonding over the challenges of maintenance, one thing is for certain, we're all in this together. This year's rally was laid out with 8 distinct islands: Kauai, Oahu, Kauai, Niihau, Big Island, Lanai, Maui, and Molokai, each radiating its own tropical flavor. We set up base on Oahu, soaking in the island vibe before the real action began. The festivities kicked off with an epic island block party and some wild island hopping, where we left our designated spots to explore everything the rally had to offer.
We are at Big Beard Batteries booth today.
Now let's talk about what makes this rally so special. Community. Owning a Grand Design is an adventure in and of itself. But let's be honest, maintaining our rigs can be a challenge. From hunting down the right parts to handling repairs and keeping everything in top shape, it sometimes feels like a solitary journey. But events like this keep reminding us that we're not alone. Meeting fellow owners, swapping stories, and learning from one another, it transforms isolation into camaraderie. I met so many incredible people who openly shared their tips, successes, and occasional headaches. Whether you're searching for a specialized expert or you just need someone who understands your RV struggles, this community is all about lifting each other up. And trust me, the energy here is contagious. It's about celebrating the freedom and adventure that comes with owning a Grand Design. Now Thursday morning, it started off with a bang. We started our day with a sizzling cooking demo featuring none other than Steve Schmidt from Cooking with the Schmidts. If you haven't seen his channel yet, click the link right here. His passion is infectious. Pretty cool guy.
It is the Maple Baker.
After the demo, the Queen Bee Women's Seminar empowered our ladies with invaluable RV safety tips, money-saving hacks, and strategies to protect our precious rigs. The hands-on demos kept rolling in with RV tank cleaning methods, a cool MORride showcase, and a wash-wax-all session that whipped those bugs right off. Then at 5 o'clock, the day peaked with the opening ceremony featuring live hula dancers and a luau. Dinner was from P.F. Chang's.
And welcome to the 2025 Grand Design Myrtle Beach Rally. We are so excited that you are here, and thank you so much for coming. We know it's a sacrifice for each of you to, bring your rigs down here and pay for campsites for a week or a weekend and make an effort to come be with other owners. So give yourself a round of applause for that.
Two, three, four to the right. 2, 3, 4. Man! Oh my God! Are you ready for this?
I was born ready.
Oh, give me a second, born ready! Give me one!
Friday was all about fueling both our bodies and our passion for the RV lifestyle. We kicked off with coffee with the Grand Design techs at the Carolina Commons, sipping our coffee while picking the brains of the expert techs.
About 6 inches, back that screw out.
As the day unfolded, attendees had the chance to dive into interactive demos and workshops, with something for everyone. For those seeking a peaceful moment, an energizing yoga session was held under the Carolina sky. Friday's lunch was a Chick-fil-A meal generously provided by SkyMed. SkyMed is a membership-based service offering emergency medical transportation, including air and ground ambulance options. It's designed to assist members during serious injuries or illnesses. It ensures transportation to appropriate medical facilities or even back home, no matter the location. Additionally, SkyMed provides vehicle return and medical escort services. If this sparks your interest, be sure to check them out. For more details, leave us a comment in the comment section, and we'll gladly share information we have and help you connect with the right people. The day's seminars covered a wide range of topics, from advanced suspension systems to the latest solar innovations. In the evening, an island-themed meetup with wine and cheese brought our group even closer together. Each conversation was a chance to connect, to share stories, challenges, and triumphs, creating a true sense of unity. For me, these are the highlight times of the rally. Life on the road can sometimes feel isolating, but meeting new friends and building this strong sense of community is what makes it all worthwhile. Then came Saturday night, the grand finale that left us all inspired. The closing ceremonies were an exhilarating whirlwind of prize drawings, giveaways, and the moment they unveiled that over $12,000 was raised for the Children's Cancer Partners of the Carolinas. Every raffle ticket, every cornhole tournament, and every bite of funnel cakes and sip of cocktail helped support the families battling childhood cancer. It was more than just an event. It was a statement of togetherness. We wrapped up this incredible rally with a Mission Barbecue dinner sponsored by Grand Design RVs. As we danced and partied and mingled with our new island friends, it was impossible not to feel the sheer joy and unity that defines the Grand Design spirit. A massive shout out to our unbelievable sponsors: Grand Design, Campers Inn of Conway, SkyMed, Wash and Waxhaw, Gabe's Pride, Big Beard Batteries, Betty's, RV Life, D&D RV Tank Cleaning Solutions, and Lippert for powering the island's adventure. A heartfelt thanks to Children's Cancer Partners of the Carolinas for inspiring us with their mission. Every handshake, every shared story, and every laugh at the rally reminded me that as Grand Design owners, our community is our greatest strength. And of course, we can't forget to thank the people who volunteered and gave their time to host all of us. And a very special thank you to Michelle and Nicole Lambana for putting all this together. You guys did it again. Thank you so much. If you guys were at the rally, drop your stories and favorite moments in the comments below. I'd love to hear what made it special for you. And if you're curious for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Grand Design experience, check out our other videos on the channel. Remember, get out on that island, embrace the adventure, and keep that aloha spirit alive every single day. See you next week.